You've seen the commercials.
If you drive drunk, we will find you.
You may have even been stopped at a checkpoint.
Hopefully to reduce collisions and injuries and just make the holiday safer for everybody.
But people still do it every year.
Last year, for the New Year's Eve holiday period, we had 3 people die on Kentucky roadways, and that's a pretty low number. And we want that number to be even lower this year.
So state police are once again stepping up patrols this holiday.
We will be having checkpoints all across the state at different locations.
But new technology may help people navigate around those checkpoints. iPhone recently came out with an application that can supposedly alert you about any checkpoints within a 20-mile radius. Some people can't believe such an application even exists.
To me, they kind of circumvent the purpose of the checkpoints.
David Warner lost his 6-year-old grandson in a drunk driving accident.
On occasion, I still tear up, as you can see. But he was a joy. He really was. He was a very outgoing young fellow. I believe if the Lord had allowed him to live, he would have been a very unforgettable person.
The makers of the application, called Buzzed, claim it will actually help police by keeping drunk drivers off the road and encouraging them to get a ride instead.
The thought of having it there, the ability of them to be able to get a cab is great. But at what point do they use it?
State police say they aren't sure whether the application would help or hurt their efforts at this point. But regardless, they will be cracking down on drinking and driving this weekend.
We're doing a lot more than just the checkpoints. We're going to be out on our normal patrols in the cars, making traffic stops all over the state of Kentucky. So that application is not going to be a surefire way to avoid the Kentucky State Police.